Have you ever wondered about the hidden secrets behind the beauty of the seasons and how each unfolds with its unique charm? Each season unfolds through a delicate dance of the earth, the sun, and the winds. Every day, the earth tilts just the right amount, placing a unique degree of sunlight on each region, creating the perfect climate for that day and guiding nature's rhythms. Spring arrives softly, buds awaken, leaves unfurl, rain whispers, and the air feels alive with promise. Summer glows in golden light. Long days stretch lazily, life flourishes, and warm breezes carry the scent of freedom. Autumn dresses the world in amber and crimson. Leaves drift down like memories, and a quiet reflection lingers over the land. Winter wraps the earth in silence. Snow lays a soft blanket. Light is gentled, and stillness invites contemplation. These cycles, running unbroken since the dawn of Earth, gift us rhythm, beauty, and harmony long before humans existed. This order shaped the land and nourished life, often unnoticed, yet sustaining our spirit quietly. If such wonders unfold with this exactitude, who is orchestrating this magnificent symphony of life?